everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to show you guys a very nice and simple variety rice recipe. This is Masala Chitranna. So let's get started and check it out. Here are all the ingredients required to make this recipe. First, let's prepare the masala powder needed for the rice. To a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal and slightly roast it. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Cumin Seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 8 red chillies and roast them. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add 6 cloves of garlic. You can add them with the skin. Now add a few bits of tamarind and roast everything together. Keeping the flame on low, roast the ingredients evenly. Now add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut to the pan and roast it for about 2 minutes. Roast the coconut till all that excess moisture is evaporated. Once the coconut is roasted, add half teaspoon of Asafoetida powder or Hing and 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Roast it again for a minute and switch off the stove. Transfer the roasted ingredients to a plate and cool it completely. Once cooled, transfer the ingredients to the mixer jar. Grind it to a powder consistency. This need not be a fine powder. Slight coarse powder is good to go with. The masala powder is ready. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. To a wide kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add a handful of peanuts and roast them. These are raw peanuts, so we are roasting them well. If you are using the roasted peanuts, you need not roast them for too long. Once the peanuts are roasted evenly, add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal and roast till the dal turns to a nice golden brown in color. Then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 red chillies cut into half and roast them. Now add a few fresh curry leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it. Next, add 2 tablespoons of freshly ground masala powder. You can add the quantity of masala powder according to the quantity of rice that you have taken. Keeping the flame on low, mix it all together. I have already prepared the rice for this recipe. You can use the rice which you regularly use at home. Now add the rice to the kadai and mix everything well till it's all well combined. This is a great lunchbox recipe. You can prepare this powder ahead of time and store it in a nice airtight container. You can prepare this masala chitranna by simply tempering and mixing it with the powder. Looks like some masala needs to be added, so I'm adding a little more of the powder. You can taste the rice and add the masala powder accordingly. Add a little salt as required and a teaspoon of ghee to it. Adding ghee will enhance the flavor and taste of this rice. There you go, here is the simple and tasty and flavorful masala chitranna that is ready to be served nice and hot. It's a very simple and easy recipe. You can enjoy this with some nice papad or fryams by the side. So you can see how simple and easy this variety rice is. It's time to taste. Such a simple dish, the flavors are just fabulous. It's such a nice rice recipe that you can easily try at home with just very basic ingredients. So if you're running short of time to make a proper meal, this is something that you can quickly whip up. I've made other variety rice recipes. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Do check them out as well. So do give this a try, share it with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.